Howdy folks, TJ here. Happy 2020 to you, and thank you for joining me again for a new video. First one of 2020. 2019 was pretty awesome. I had a great time exploring Sinclair, had a great time kind of unhibernating, regurgitating. What's the word I'm working on here? Getting excited again about retro computers. I've been pretty excited about it for years, but I've got, kind of three hobbies: retro computers, tenkata fly fishing. Since I work in the tenkata industry, I fly fish a lot and enjoy that. And then also my Volkswagens. Unfortunately, I got to admit, I kind of suck at being a mechanic. Getting my knuckles busted and greasy all the time. It's kind of fun sometimes, but sometimes it's not. So unfortunately, I've been kind of not working on my Volkswagens much lately. I need to kind of get back into that, but I've found that most of my time has been spent, when I have spare time, fly fishing, tenkata, and retro computers. And since I'm at home most of the time, retro computers kind of get most of my attention. And I had a great 2019, really fun. As you can see, I'm kind of set up my camera in front of the tree. It's January, what the heck is today, 7th, 8th? Something like that. Normally I do my videos out on the kitchen table so I can kind of display stuff, but all the ornaments have been pulled from the tree on the kitchen table where the cats are knocking them off, and got to get the tree taken down and put back where it belongs. But I went on a business trip. January 2nd, I immediately went out on a tenkata. We had a Tenkata USA had a fly booth and at a trade show, and I needed to work it. So I was out the door, didn't have time to kind of take down the tree. So now I get to do that now that I'm back. So, what's this video about? Well, thank you for watching my videos. I wanted to give a quick shout out. I have a new Patreon member, which is really cool. To date, I had two. I had Bob Bowe and Rob Heaton. Thank you guys for being the original two that kind of got the ball rolling. And then yesterday, a new gentleman, Chris Coolin, hopefully I'm pronouncing your name right, became a Patreon. So thank you very much. It's very cool of you guys to kind of help support my channel. In fact, what this little bit of money coming in is going to do is I'm going to get a mic for my Pixel camera. So as you guys kind of know, if you've been watching my videos, I started out with like a 10-year-old Sanyo recorder that I was doing videos on, and it did okay, but wasn't the greatest. So then I thought, why don't I use my Pixel phone? So I bought this Ulanzi holder that I could put my phone in. Got a nice tripod. And you can't see it, but I've got my lighting, so I purchased some lighting this last year to kind of help make things a little bit better. And the Google makes definitely a better video, but the sound is kind of tinny a little bit. So I thought getting a mic would be a good idea. So thank you guys for being a patron, because your money is going to be applied towards me getting a microphone. I've got one on order, and hopefully in future videos that I'll sound a little bit better. My voice is probably, I don't know, it is what it is, but hopefully it makes the sound better. I can kind of sing to you like Tiny Tim. Tiptoe through the tulips, through the prairie. Oh, that's pretty bad. You probably don't know who the hell Tiny Tim is if you're young, but Google it and tiptoe through the tulips and you'll see what the hell I was talking about. Anyway, Santa was pretty good to me Christmas time, and I wanted to do this video on Santa. Sean Mellor from overseas sent me some tapes. Very cool of him. He had some extra tapes. He said, hey, why don't I send them over to TJ and he can check them out? Because to date, I really don't have many tapes for the Spectrum. So I thought today I'd open the box up and kind of show you what he sent me, and then see if there's any titles in there that I'll need to play in 2020. So let me bend over here. Here's the box that I got. And I kind of popped it open already, but stuffing, always fun. And he said some of the cassettes, the packaging around it might be a little boogered up or broken or whatever, but hey, these are free tapes. Very cool of him to send them to me. So thank you very much. You got some, looks like a whole bunch of tapes in here I'm going to really enjoy. And thank you. So let's see. Let's start out with, so on the top is this cassette. It says Rebel Star 2, Silverbird, complete game. So there's number one. So I got this tape. Haven't heard of Rebel Star before. I will in the near future. So that's the first one. Some more stuffing. Ooh, let's go to this big box first. Yeah, let's open here. Ocean. Daley Thompson Super Test. Oh! Oh! JetPac! Yes! So, this is like the game everybody's telling me I should play. I don't think I've played this yet. I posted this morning on a forum about wanting to try JetPac, and Keith Cole said, yeah, I thought you played this already, and I don't remember. I don't think I have. I think I tried it and it didn't work, but I told him I'm getting old and forgetful, so I don't remember a lot of things. But JetPac is the game that I heard you need to play if you own a Speccy. So now I own JetPac. Hopefully this will be the one that I'll try first. Kind of like Free Willy. That's a whale watching video. Willy, what the hell? I've already forgot the name of it. Free Willy. The Willy tape. I purchased that one first. Manic Miner. I don't own that one yet. The Flying Formula. So this video is mostly going to be, hey, here's some games, and if you recommend any of me trying any of these, post down below and say, TJ, try this game. But definitely JetPac's going to, I think, be the first one, because I've been wanting to buy that one. Ocean Kong. Must be something King Kong related. Oh, yes! So I knew that JetPac had like a second game, Lunar JetMan. I think this is associated with that JetPac game. So now I own both of them. Yeah, thank you very much, Sean. That is freaking awesome. Cookie? That's probably a TJ type of game. Trans Am? Wow, there's a lot of games in here. This is super. Airwolf. Remember, post down below if any of these say, TJ, you must play. Ollie and Lisa. You know, I heard this one. I think at Halloween time, I was trying to find a Halloween game, and they had some type of, they recommended this one for Halloween type of play. So that is cool. I'm going to put that next to JetPac. Raid over Moscow. Cool. Sinclair Spectrum. Scion. So I don't know what this is, but maybe it's a learning type of tape. Horizons. I know that one's I think, a learning type of tape. Sinclair Chess. Is this like 3D? Like I said, normally I use my table, but it's got 1,000 ornaments on there that we have to pack tonight in individual boxes. It's like going to be hell tonight because they're all breakable. And I'm like a bull in a china shop. Zoom. That's perfect. Zoom. I was talking about Zoom and that came up. That's funny. Awesome. I got all these ultimate games. All right. I've heard of this one too. Psst. I'm going to put that one next to JetMan. So, Flight Simulator. Getting towards the end of the box. Your Sinclair 4-pack. Your Sinclair, I think, is like a magazine, so maybe this was like a magazine type of tape. All right. Untouchables. That's a big box. This looks like it's The Hobbit. Yes! Sweet. Maybe I can get my wife into playing because she's a total Lord of the Rings nut. And I didn't have Hobbit on anything, so The Hobbit will be one I for surely do. End of the box. This one's in a Saberwolf. I've heard of this one. Saberwolf? Sweet! Again, thank you so much, Sean. That was very sweet and cool of you to send me some tapes. Now I have a whole bunch of games I'm going to have to try to play very poorly and do videos on. JetPac, for sure. Quite a few cool games in there. Pretty good Christmas for TJ. I got to be pretty excited about that. So again, thank you, Sean, very much. Thank you for my Patreons. Got 3 in you now. Rob Heaton, Bob Bowe, and Chris Coolin. Thanks again for being Patreons and supporting my channel. And the first thing that you guys are going to help me with is get a mic. Maybe this will help my voice sound better. Probably not. But anyway, Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy 2020, and I look forward to making my next video for you guys. Take it easy. Peace.